Just want to do this quick video on changing the oil on my 2003 Dodge Stratus. So let's go ahead and get started. Assuming that you already have the car jacked up, jack stands. Let's look under here for the oil filter. Come under the car. It's right here. It's the oil filter. And here's the oil pan. So drain the oil pan, unscrew this bolt. Here's the oil filter. And unscrew that. I've already kind of loosened it. Make sure you have your oil pan to catch all your excess oil that's going to come on out. Alright, there's the old filter. And all I need now is my handy ratchet, 11/16 socket. Get over here. I'm just gonna undo this bad boy. Do this with two hands. 1 minute, please.